Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to don't ask you where to save files in Firefox browser Windows 10. So how to don't ask you where to save files in Firefox browser Windows 10. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu here. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here you are in the General menu. Scroll down to find the Download menu. Now next. Tap Always Ask You Where to Save Files. This feature makes Firefox automatically save files to the default location without asking where to save them every time you download. So that's it, the tutorial on how to don't ask you where to save files in Firefox browser Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.